What's up, everybody? It's me, D-Mac. Got another unboxing, 300 bucks. This is my Christmas gift for my parents. Let's see what I got. Now, I already know what's in here because I ordered it. But okay. First thing, got a spare mag for my pistol that I got for Christmas from my girlfriend. Next thing is the holster for the pistol. It's pretty cool. And the molly attachment for this holster. Next little doodad is a face mask. I actually have a bunch of these, not this kind, but just face masks in general. This one's really soft. Really surprised. It's this design. I guess it's on both sides. Interesting. Oops. Next thing I got is a don't know who makes it, to be honest. It's a double pistol mag pouch, like a AOR type camo, I believe. Wow, it's a hefty amount of Velcro. Cool. Next thing I'm pretty excited to try is this TMC. Yeah, I believe it's TMC. FMA. Nope, TMC. I was correct. Sorry. Face mask. It's the padded one on the sides, and it's got the steel mesh in the front. But what's cool about this one is it's got all these different little attachments, and you can actually hook this to your helmet somehow. Oh, by these bad boys right here, sorry. But those will clip into the side of a helmet. A lot of stuff came with it. Cool, really cool. Next thing is some Zulu, Falcon Zulu. They look pretty beat up, the box. I've ran these a lot, but my last pair has got so far damaged through extensive use that I ordered another pair. I really like them. Come with a little extra stuff, but they're I believe they're a double paint or a no. I don't know. Falcon Zulu goggles. I'll go ahead and open this. GMP. You can probably see right there. It's pretty exciting, pretty hefty. Ooh. Alright. So in the box, this might give it away. You get a microfiber, unless I already showed it. Then probably give it microfiber towel, cloth, and then you get the scope. So I opted for an ACOG style. I was really wanting trademarks, like the Trijicon trademarks, but I just didn't really have the time to wait around for one, ordering for one. And Wow, that looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, pretty hefty. And also for this was $89, which is a pretty good amount. This is also 4x32, but I got a scope protector. Not sure how this bad Johnny works, to be completely honest. Oh. Man, I have no idea. Oh, just like that. Cool. Let's see. I don't know. I'll play around with it, see how it works. Set that to the side. And last thing in my box is another thing for my helmet. I've really wanted to try these. These are the Earmore M32 Mod 1s. I opted for tan. And let's check them out. So right off the bat, you get a booklet. Earmore M32. Oh, these are Mod 3s. Are they? Yeah, okay, these are the Mod 3s. It's in a Mod 1 box. Pretty cool. Maybe, I don't know what mod these are, to be honest. But here they are. I got arc rail adapters to go on these, to go on my airframe, and I'm really excited to try this out. It's got the plug. You'll need a push to talk to use it, which I don't have yet, so I'll just have to throw that out of the way. Pretty nifty. Look okay. Cool. It'll fit just like that on your helmet. It's got a big ear, so that's pretty cool. But this is my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'd really like to start making regular videos. Let me know, guys, or let me know what you guys think. Some feedback would be nice. Positive only. Good vibes. And thanks for watching.